Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone meets the minimum iOS and free space requirements. This prevents mid-install failures. Next, enable profile installations in settings. This allows apps from third-party signers. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and make sure two-factor authentication is active. You will be prompted for codes. Prepare a backup via iCloud or local iPhone backup, because if the install fails, you want a safe restore point. Now proceed to the app source. You will now fetch the Nugget iOS package from a trusted mobile signer or alternative app store directly on your device. Tap the download link, then open the profile in Settings and inspect permissions. This is critical for security. After trusting the profile, return to the installer and follow on-screen prompts. Allow any configuration requests. During signature verification, be patient. This can take a minute. If installation stalls, retry the download from a different signer. Avoid random sources. You finish by launching Nugget and granting the minimal permissions it requests, camera, notifications, whatever the app needs, to operate correctly. If the app crashes or shows an untrusted developer error, go to Settings, remove the problematic profile, and reinstall from a different reputable signer. That usually resolves signature or revocation problems. Make sure to keep a recent backup and periodically refresh the app with a new sign build. This avoids sudden dismantling when certificates expire.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.